Sweet Pea friends, the next song I'm going to sing is called Rain, Rain, Go Away. I know some of you kids sing this song when you come to school. Play that one more time for you guys. There's two different songs that you could use for that. The first one is Rain, Rain, Go Away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Betty wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. And the other one, which is more known, is it's called Raining. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up till the morning. Bye, Sweet Pea friends.